Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Tune Engines, and on today's episode I'm gonna show you how you can jump start your car. Alright guys, it's all happened to us. We probably left like a light on inside the car at night, or like left our headlights on and it drains the battery the next day. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's the proper way and the correct way to go ahead and turn on your car, because if you don't, most of these new cars have a bunch of like super sensitive sensors that like if as soon as you cause a spark, it can go ahead and like break the whole sensor. You're gonna spend a bunch of money fixing it. So yeah guys, and also the only reason why I'm gonna jump start my car is because I haven't driven it like in over 2 weeks and my battery went low for some reason. It's because like my battery is like around 3 years old now, and most of the time it only lasts like that long, so it needs to be jump started. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you what's the correct way to go ahead and jump start your car. Let's get into the video, guys. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you that like my car is actually there. Like I'm gonna go ahead and crank it over. As you can see, nothing happens, and I'm also gonna go ahead and check the battery level. I'm gonna take on my voltmeter, and as you can see, it's only at 3 volts. Oh heck no, that's super low. So yeah guys, we need to jump start my car. So guys, it's happening to me because like my battery is like 2 or 3 years old. Like now batteries only last like 3 years max, unless you get like a really good one. So yeah, so my car needs to be jump start. I haven't turned on like in 2 weeks, I believe, because I just haven't driven it. But yeah, but guys, let me go ahead and show you how you can jump start your car the right way. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing is go ahead and pull up the car closer so the jump start cables can go ahead and reach from the car to the other car. Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do is, and the car is going to give you the power, you want to go ahead and turn off the car, and then go ahead and pop the trunk. Then you want to go ahead and open the hood. Okay guys, and the reason why I'm using this car is because it has the battery in the front. I want to go ahead and show you how you have to do it with the car that has the battery in the front, because you can see that has the positive and the negative terminals in the front of the engine bay. But guys, as you can see, my Camaro does not have a battery in the front. There's nothing. The battery's in the trunk actually. So as you can see, we only have a positive post, which is in red, and we also have a negative post, which is right here on the driver's side fender. You can also go ahead and put the negative like on the car's hood latch or any piece of bare metal. You can also connect to the strip if you wanted to. But yeah guys, any piece of bare metal will work for a negative side. Okay guys, so the second step is you want to go ahead and get your positive clamp and go ahead and connect it to your positive post to the car. So you want to make sure you want to get a good connection, because you want it to pop out, because if it pops out, like your car's not going to charge obviously. So you want to make sure it's a good connection. Okay guys, so now we're going to go ahead and connect our negative clamp. And also guys, keep in mind that the car you're trying to jump start, you want to go ahead and connect the negative and the positive clamp right to the battery. I'm going to go ahead and show you in a little bit. But as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and connect it to any bare metal piece of my car, which is going to be right here next to the driver fender. Alright guys, now on the other car you want to go ahead and connect your positive. Make sure you don't like let this touch anything else. Like you make sure you like hold it or put it somewhere safe for right now. So you can go ahead and get your positive terminal like this. Open the tray up and then go ahead and connect it. And leave it just like that. And then for the black guys, you do not want to connect it to the battery right there, because if you do, that's what causes a spark, and the spark will, if you have one in your car, it's gonna mess up a sensor or make a sensor go bad. Okay guys, and then the car you're gonna use to jump start your car, you want to go ahead and connect your negative to any bare metal. Do not connect it to the battery, because it will spark and that will mess up a sensor. So I'm gonna connect it right here to the hood latch, because that's the safest place on any car. Alright guys, now we have the car connected. You see we have the positive on the other, and the car's gonna be providing, and the negative. Then on this car we have the positive connected and the negative connected. The only reason guys is, remember, like this is only because my car has the battery in the back. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and pretend that this car has the dead battery. So what you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and connect the positive and the negative right to the battery. Do not connect anywhere else, so you can get a good connection right to the battery and go ahead and charge it as fast as possible. And also guys, the car's going to be providing the jump start for you or helping you out. You want to go ahead and connect the positive only and go ahead and connect it to bare metal, so you won't throw a sensor on the other person's car or anything. So yeah guys, that's how you jump start car with the battery in the front as well. Okay guys, now you want to go ahead and start the car. It's gonna be helping you out. So you want to go ahead and start the car and let it idle so you can charge your car back up. And as you can see guys, there's no check engine lights or anything or any bad codes, because we went ahead and did it the right way. So yeah. Alright guys, now the next step is go ahead and let the car run for like around like 2 or 3 minutes so you can charge up the battery. Alright guys, so I've let it charge for like around like 3 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and check. Alright guys, so it's been about 3 minutes that I've been letting it charge. We have the negative side connected. Now we're gonna go ahead and connect the positive, and you can see guys, like it's charging up the car. So yeah. Alright guys, so now the last step is go ahead and start the car that has a dead battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. guys, cool. So we got the car about to get started. Alright guys, if you feel like your car just needs like a little bit more electricity to be able to turn on, all you can do is on the car it's gonna be passing you electricity, just go ahead and rev up to like around 3,000 and hold it there for a minute, and then like the other person can go ahead and turn on your car so you can go ahead and start. But yeah guys, that's just a little hint. And also guys, please don't turn off your car once it starts. Let it run for a little bit so you can go ahead and charge up the battery back up. Don't forget that guys, don't forget that. Okay guys, and the last tip is go ahead and take off your jumper cables. We're going to go ahead and take off the negatives one first, hold in one hand, and then go ahead and take off the positive. And if you have someone else, go ahead and let them take off the other ones in the other car, because you don't want to put them on the floor just to be safe. But yeah, if you have someone else to help you, they can go ahead and take off the other jumper cables on the other car. As you can see guys, I'm going to go ahead and take off the negative first as well, and then take off the positive on this cart, and then put them down. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and put any caps back on, or any dust caps on. And yeah guys, that's how you can jumpstart your car. And then go ahead and close the hood on both of the cars, and you're done. Alright guys, so now that we got the car running, you want to go ahead and leave it on for a little bit so the alternator can go ahead and charge the battery again. So yeah, we're going to leave it running for a little bit. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Hopefully now you know how to jumpstart your car the correct way so you don't get any engine codes, you don't break any sensors, and also like know how to jumpstart your car if this ever happens to you. Also guys, another hint is like if you feel like your car's not like turning on, check the cables. Make sure you have a good ground and a good positive lead, because if you don't, your car won't start. Alright guys, well hopefully this helps you out so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. I'll see you all next time.